Hello my dear people, welcome to the channel. बे समाव जों मोनसे जायगायाव थांगासिनो दङ आरो बे जायगायानो जाहैबाय गंसे CLC ग्रेस सेन्टार होननाय मावरिया फरायसालि। बेयाव जोङो भिजिट खालामनो थांगासिनो दङ आरो बे फरायसालियाव गुबुन गुबुन हादरनिफ्रायबो दङ, जेरै इन्डोनेशिया, फिलिपाइन्स आरो विदिन द मालयेशियानिफ्रायनो गुबुन गुबुन बेकग्राउन्डनिफ्राय दङ मावरिया गथ'फ्रा। सोरबाबा बिमा बिफा गैजाया, सोरनाबा न'खरफोर गैजाया, बायदि बायदि आरो। स' नोंथांमोना नायलांबाय थाबानो जाबाय। दायो जोङो जोंनि डेस्टिनेसनाव मोनफैबाय। बेनो जाहैबाय मावरिया फरायसालियाव, CLC ग्रेस सेन्टार फरायसालियाव। दा जोंनि लोगोफ्रा गासैबो ओंखारजोब्बाय आरो जोंखौ ओंखारनानै बिथांमोना इनभाइट खालामदों आरो जों दायो डाइरेक्टनो हलाव हाबहैसिगोन आरो हलाव हाबखांनायनि उनावहाय बिदिनो सोरगिदिं नायदिंबायगोन। जायगाया ओरैबायदि मोजां, बिराद फ्रेश, एकदम सोरगिदिं नेचारेलथार, साफानो। स' थानो बिराद मोजां आरो जायगाया। How are we doing? Good. Good. Wonderful. Great. How are you? Hello. Oh, thank you.
So this will give them mark. Okay, so today it will be traditional food, especially Indonesian traditional food. And the concept is actually, if they provide, it's like they're going to sell it, and the more they get from their selling, then they will win. Okay, but today you will go to their tables, you can ask them. Syurga, terima kasih untuk hari ini kami bersyukur. Since 2013 we were here. So this is all by God's grace, giving the love for the people who love cars and love for this mission to help us to do this ministry. Okay, next. Yeah, so this is the three logos represent the structure. BCCM, this is Indonesian School of Indonesian, International Indonesian School here in Kotakinabalu. So all of us, 9 of us here, 6 Malaysian, 3 Indonesian, 2 ex-alumni.
Changing profession is an important element for churches ministry, and particularly you're serving micro-children. Okay, and so it's a tribute to your work in collaboration with the nation. So we pray for you, we bless your ministry, and as a small token, our participants contributed some money to our offering on this day. Thank you so much for sending your students to entertain us. This was wonderful. I was great. So I want to thank the teachers who teach and those who nice blessings to you.
Okay, thank you very much. Most of the students went to the
बेनो जाबाय केम्पासनि साइटिंनि How are you?
Yeah, okay.
Nice to meet you again. दायो प्रग्राम जोबनानै जोङो बे डाइनिं हलथिं थांनो नागिरदों जेरावहाय गथ'फ्रा जानाय लोंनायफोर गुबुन गुबुन आइटेमफोर बानायदों स' बेखौहाय जोङो टेस्ट खालामहैसिगोन बेवहाय गथ'फ्रा गुबुन गुबुन आइटेमफोर बानायदों स' बेवहाय जोंनि माखासे लोगोफ्रा सोरबाबा फट' लादों सोरबाबा टेबोल थांनानै गुबुन गुबुन आइटेमफोर जेराव गथ'फोर बानायदों बेखौ जादों स' बेवहाय बे गथ'फ्रा जे रोंनायनि जाहोना जाबाय बिसोरो थियरिल' सोलोंनाय नङा नाथाय प्रेक्टिकेलिबो माबायदि जानाय लोंनायफोरखौबो प्रिपारेसन खालामनांगौ बेफोरनि माखासे स्किलफोरखौबो गथ'फ्रा रोंदों आरो बे रोंनायनि जाहोना जाबाय माने बे फरायसालिनि गोबां टिचारफोर आरो मेनेजमेन्ट सिस्टेमा मोजां मेनेज खालामनायनि जाहोनाव फोरोंनायनि जाहोनाव बिसोरो बेखौ रोंदों जाहाथे बिसोरो इयुननि जिबनाव फरायखांनायनि उनावबो गावनि आथिङाव गसंथानो हायो बेनि थाखाय बे गथ'फोरा जोबोद मोजाङैनो दा ट्रेनिंखौ मोनदों आरो थारैनो जानाय लोंनायफ्रा बिराद गोथावमोन बे माखासे गावसिनि ट्रेडिशनेल फुडफोर जानायफोरबो बिथांमोना बानायदोंमोन आरो स' बिराद गोथावमोन जानो थाखाय बेनो बिसोरनि केम्पासआ स' बेयावनो बिसोरो थायो आरो बै नैबे नुनायफोरा क्लासरुमफोर बिथिं सोरगिदिं क्लासरुम दं नैबेयावबो क्लासफोर लायो क्लासरुम हल बियो आरो बिथिं जेसेबांनाखि नुलांनायफोर दङ बेयाव क्लास लाग्रा गोजा आरो थाग्राया गुबुन साइडथिं बेयाव जेसेबांनाखि स्टुडेन्टफोर नुदों बिसोरो हस्टेलाव थाग्रा गोजा स' बेनि अनगायै आरो स्टुडेन्टफोर दंबावो बिसोर जाबाय माखासे लकेलफोर जायफ्रा न'निफ्राय थांलाय फैलाय खालामो बा न'निफ्रायनो लांलाय लाबोलाय खालामो माखासे न'खरफ्रा खोनानाय बायदिब्ला बेवहाय फ्राय 200 जनसो स्टुडेन्टफोर दङ आरो गोबाङानो थांलाय फैलाय खालामो आरो बे जाहैबाय बिसोरनि केम्पास बेथिंहाय टिचारफोर थायो बे गारि नुनायथिं ओमफ्राय नै बिथिं क्लासरुमबाव आरो बे जाबाय क्लास 1निफ्राय 9सिम बिथिं दङ आरो गासैबो भिजिटार सोरबाबा बेबायदिनो जानाय लोंनायाव सोरबाबा बिदिनो सोरगिदिं जायगा नायथिंबायनायावहाय बयबो बेस्थ'थार बेयो जाहैबाय केम्पासनि सोरगिदिं दंफां लाइफां बेबायदि दङ सोमखोरनो बै बासआ जों फैनाय बास बे बासखौ जों लाना फैदों आरो नै बिथिंहाय भेनिला दंफां बियो भेनिला जेरावहाय जोङो केक बायदिसिनाफोर बानायो केकफ्रावहाय फ्लेभार जे जों मोनो बेनो आरो बेखौहाय गायनाय जादों जाहाथे बिनि गेजेरजोंहाय फरायसालिखौ सालायनायावहाय सहाय मोनो खोनानाय बायदिब्ला बे दंफाङा 4 बोसोरानो जाबाय नाथाय दासिमबो फिथाइ थायथ'वाखै आरो थाइसे थाइनै थाइबाय होनना बुंदों नाथाय नेगासिनो दङ थायगोन More than 4 years. Oh, really? Fruits now fruits is not there, right? By what years it's gonna give? It's gonna
Actually,
give fruit.
they said it's 2 years or 3 years, but I'm not sure why it's still like that.
Okay.
I
Wonderful.
see the fruit here.
I really love to visit such kind of farms and all.
I'm not sure why the fruit is still not.
Since 4 years now?
Yeah.
Oh.
2021, we started planted this vanilla. But until now, we keep on checking where is the fruit.
It will be our fruit.
Yeah.
Oh, there also.
This kind of plant is so expensive.
Yeah.
I think 100 gram in Malaysian ringgit about 1,000 ringgit something.
Oh. In my place also people started planting this one.
Oh, which place?
India.
India? India in the central of India? No.
Northeast part of India. Yes, of course we have in different parts of India there also. People are planting.
Oh yeah, because
Some of the parts.
last time I've been to Philippines. I met, like I told you, I met the Meghalaya and Nagaland friends. They also start their farms, but not vanilla, mushroom.
Yeah.
Mushroom in, I don't know how they do that, but that's kind of their source.
Vanilla bagan गोजा बे गासिबो बोसोरब्रै जाबायनो नाथाय फिथाइया दासिमबो थायथ'वाखै जाहैदों बे जायगाया जाहैबाय मालयेशियानि कटाकिनाबालु होननाय जायगायावहाय दा मार्सि स्कुल होननाय बिमा बिफा गैजायिफोर आरो बिमा बिफा गोनांफोरब्लाबो गुबुन बिदिनो हादरनिफ्राय थाफैनायफोर माबाफोरबो दं नालाय बिसोरनि एसे प्रे सेन्टार होननायावहाय गोबां मानसिफ्रा दं आरो बेवहाय फरायफैयो ओमफ्राय बिसोर बेफोरबायदि गायनायफोरजोंनो स्कुलखौ रानिं खालामो आरो It is very expensive actually.
Yeah, and then the cost to build this farm is actually quite expensive.
Yeah, that's right.
Yeah. Now when we start to plant this, we only plant this kind of fruit, I think. And now
Yeah.
it's growing up, but unfortunately, we haven't seen the fruit.
It will bear fruit. Need to wait and pray. Yeah. Don't worry.
And then this will be our school sources.
Sources, yeah.
For fun.
I'm really happy to see here all the students from different places and learning, and you guys are teaching really God bless you all. You're taking a reach and dedicating for the ministry to educate the people. Really that's incredible.
Actually,
Wow.
it's challenging.
Mm.
You know, we are illegal because we are
Oh.
not in the rural.
Mm.
If they are in the rural, then they are legal. Since we are in a city, so we are, you know.
Yeah, I got it.
What is
Yes. This is vanilla.
Vanilla.
vanilla?
Yeah,
Mm.
vanilla. You know, the
Yeah.
ice cream flavor.
Yeah.
The flavor only, not the fruit.
No, actually, we are still waiting for the fruit to show yourself. It's been 4
the
years
fruit.
now.
Oh,
It's
4
been
years
4
now.
years.
By how many years will it be?
It's around 2 or 3 years, but it's included this year, maybe about 5 years, I think.
5 years.
It's gonna be
And then
5 years.
How about the fruit? The fruit is to eat or for some any
Actually,
other purpose?
No,
For-
because the fruit will be processed,
Mm.
and then we need to sell. We need to sell the fruit. The
For-
inside.
For eating.
Yeah,
For example,
eating,
from
skincare, ice
yeah,
cream.
yeah.
Ice
From-
cream.
Flavor.
Flavor.
From yeah,
flavor.
from the
flavor.
fruit,
Okay,
the
okay.
makes flavor in
Oh,
different pieces
good.
for the cake and
Is
so
it
many.
costly?
Yes, to build this is so costly.
Okay.
Expensive.
Expensive.
good one. Yeah.
Yeah.
I want to see the fruit here, but now I don't see the fruit anymore. I don't know where this fruit is.
One fruit would cost how much?
One
Ringgit.
fruit?
Yeah.
Actually, it's by gram.
By gram.
By
Then 1 gram how?